Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing very basic but classic Russian salad recipe. It's a Pakistani style Russian salad which we usually get at get-togethers or wedding ceremonies. I am following the same recipe since long, and if I'm not wrong, this is the first ever salad recipe which I learned way back. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I peeled and boiled the potatoes and cut them into cubes. They should be fork tender. That's the same thing I did with some carrots as well, and they are pre-boiled. Then I'm adding some chopped cucumbers and some chopped apples. You can use pineapples as well. Adding some peas. You can add any other vegetable or fruit in there. I'm adding mayonnaise and whipping cream in there and seasoning it with some salt, black pepper powder, and some sugar. And that's it. Just mix everything well until it's combined. Keep it in the fridge, and when you're ready to serve, you can add boiled eggs in there. I just slice them and put it on top. You can chop them and add in your salad as well, and your salad is ready to serve. We still have a little bit of barbecue season left. You can make it for a barbecue side or in any other season as well. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.